Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We already studied different strategies, and today I'll show you another one, a unique one that will give you truly accurate signals. And in addition, I'll show you my own tricks that I always use in my strategies. And in this video I will show you how to overclock your account with just a fairly small amount of money in your pocket. So, for this strategy, I use two indicators. This is MACD and envelopes. This is the perfect tool if you know how to use it correctly. As you can see, I have already selected the currency pairs. By the way, my account is quite small now, only $1. So, I'm ready to start my trading session and open a trade right now. The price is at the resistance level, and I think this level will be broken. I also see an upward trend. Let me try to depict it for you. As we see, the price has just touched the trend line. That means it will go up. Great guys, this is what the top entry point where the price went up, and I like it. You know, when I first heard about this strategy, it seemed to me a bit superficial and I didn't pay much attention to it, but the strategy really works. In this video, I will tell you how to use it to see signals quite accurately. So, let's move on to the second currency pair. Guys, look here, I'm opening a trade down again by $1. Now the candles are in the upper band of the envelopes channel, and I think they will begin to decline. The resistance level here is the one from which the price will bounce back and probably go down. So at the moment we are trading with a fairly small amount, but I will show you step by step how to make your profit. Yes, you see, the price went down quite confidently because it had already reached the resistance level. Go ahead. I want to show you other options. So, I open a trade up. There is a fairly good support level here, but a downward trend. I will try to explain it to you. As you can see, the price hasn't broken the support level and will now go up. I highly recommend you to try this strategy. One of the important features here is that the time frame used is 1 minute. If your time frame is 1 minute, so of course you open a trade from 1 minute. They are equal, but you can try this strategy with envelopes and MACD on any time frame. Just make sure your time frame is equal to the expectation time. This is the key aspect. Now I will open a down trade. Great! It's when the market is in a slight correction period, even if the trend is downward. Then a profit can be made using a call option. Thus, it's best to sell in a bear market. So, we know that within a few minutes, the price rose. And this is a great moment for us. Now we see that the price has started to fall, and I'm quite sure that we have entered a trade in the right direction. Yes guys, this is exactly what I was talking about. Opening a trade down was the right decision, especially in a downtrend. So we see that the price is constantly decreasing. This is an absolute bear market. I opened a trade down for 1 minute on this currency pair. Here the price is at the resistance level. Let me depict this for you for better understanding. You see, the price rebounded from this level 3 times and began to decline, and right now it will go down. The MACD indicator also shows that volumes are approaching zero. This is a downward signal. Great result guys, and now I will tell you about one of my tricks. It's simple. When I see a resistance or support level, I understand that the situation is quite risky. In this case, due to this long wick, due to the high volatility. I tell myself, yes, you want to make a huge profit. After all, the more we invest, the more profit we gain. But here, you just need to be rational. So, let's look at another example of a different currency pair. Here, I open a trade up. From MACD, we see that the lines are starting to intersect. And it seems that there may be a turning point here. The price has reached the support level. This means that the price will push back and increase. Well, again, I'm a winner. It does great. In a bear market, I made a put option again. With this strategy, it is quite reliable. I can confidently earn money, and I already have $39 in my account. But we don't stop there. Let's find another really good entry point. The currency pair, US dollar and Indian rupee, has a downward trend. The MACD indicators show that volumes are approaching zero and the lines begin to intersect. This indicates a possible reversal, and it's clear that the price is at the support level and doesn't break through it. It means that there is a signal for an increase. Wow! Victory again! Now we understand that a call option can be exercised in a bear market, and that's what I wanted you to understand. When I started my trading career, I also tried to do everything according to the instructions. But later I realized that this wasn't the case. Now I have my secrets and tricks, and I even trade call options in a bear market. Sell signals are not the only option you have in a bear market. You can also look for buy signal there.
On the currency pair, New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar, I open a trade up for 1 minute. The MACD indicator shows that a green histogram appears. Moreover, the price is at the support level. It pushes off from it and goes up. Well, profit again, that is, the signal was really accurate. Obviously, trading in a bear market means that you are simply looking for the right moment to enter a call option trade. But to be fair, a call option also works in a bear market. It's important to clearly track the patterns. Let's look for another similar situation. I'm opening an up trade right now. I decided to trade up here because the price is rising here, but at the same time it's at the level of support, and this is just another good entry point. Great guys! It's always fine to choose pairs with a high payout percentage. This way you can increase your deposit faster. I know that you all guys are interested in trading, and that's why I want to invite you to my Telegram channel where I share the useful information, I communicate with my participants, and you can find the link in the descriptions, so welcome! On the currency pair New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc, I open a downward trade. This is another one of my trades in a bear market because the situation is perfect when the candles are above the envelopes. Guys, I couldn't miss this opportunity and I open a down trade here. The trend is now downward and the price is at the resistance level. Yes, it was street, so you see, a put option is always a good idea when trading in a bear market, especially when the candles have already reached a level above the envelopes indicator. And now you can be sure that the price is going down, so I'll definitely do it again, but I'll still be careful. I really like it now. The Australian dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair again. I open a trade down. I see an excellent entry point. We can notice that volumes are decreasing on the MACD indicator. The green histogram is approaching zero. This gives us a signal of further downward movement. The candles begin to cross the envelopes indicator, and this also indicates a decline. Well, perfect! Just look at my balance. It's almost $1,000, and you can do the same. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel where I share different signal settings and where I communicate with you and share with profitable cases. It's easy to earn such amount of money. Even if you don't believe this currency pair has an excellent upward trend. Immediately I change my investments and open the trade down. Here the MACD indicates a decrease. The lines intersect from top to bottom and the histogram is red. In addition, the price hasn't yet reached the level of support. That means it will continue to decline. This is perfect. The signals are really great, and here in this strategy I trade mainly relying on signals from my indicators. You can do the same with simple technical analysis. You just need to set the indicators correctly and wait for the necessary signals. Now let's move on to another currency pair. There seems to be a turning point here. The downward trend has changed to an upward one, but the price will likely continue to decrease the next few minutes. The MACD indicator shows a decline. We see a red histogram and that the lines intersect from top to bottom. In addition, the price is at the resistance level, so now I'm opening a down trade. Well, that's perfect technical analysis. I win, of course. We got an excellent result. I already have almost $3,000 in my account, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to decline. On the Swiss franc and Japanese yen currency pair, I opened two down trades at once. The price here is at the resistance level, which it didn't break through, of course, and it will continue to go down. The candles are above the envelopes indicators that also indicate a decrease. It's great result, guys. Look, my balance is already over $4,000, and remember, I started with just $1. I open an up trade on this currency pair. What do we see here? The price has reached a support level, from which it will most likely go up. The candles are below the envelopes indicator, that is a signal to decline. Wonderful, guys! By the way, yesterday I dealt with the same situation with subscribers of my Telegram channel and we earned a sufficient amount of money. If you want to check this information and know how to make money in supply and demand zone, please subscribe to my Telegram channel. You can find all the information and answers there. And now you know how to go towards your dream using my secrets, so I wish you the best. Goodbye!